What's up, guys? So in today's video, we're gonna be playing Puppy Town, guys. Okay, guys? So let's get right into it, guys. It's loading, guys. Welcome to Puppy Town. Merge puppies to unlock new puppies. Oh, you gotta do it like that? I didn't know that. And the good thing about this app, guys, is if you play it, you gotta make a lot of money. So I'm glad I'm playing this game because I gotta make a lot of money. Oh, we cannot merge those puppies. Oh, we can only merge the same puppies of the same breed, guys. We cannot merge other puppies that are not the same breed. So let's merge that. Oh, got a new puppy. Okay. I really want to see what's gonna happen if I merge this puppy with another one of those puppies. Oh, here it is. And then we get that puppy, yeah! Okay, guys, it's gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys like this game. And it's free to download, so if you guys wanna make money, definitely go download it, guys. It's a great app. Okay, that's all I gotta say for now, guys. Peace out, guys. That's all I gotta say for now, guys. Peace out.